What is up, guys? Joe here, back with another video. Today is Tuesday, November 2, 2021, and Marathon Holdings is trending. Marathon is up over 14% for the day, posting an all-time high of $63.60. Marathon is up on the news that Bitcoin hit $63,000 per coin, Ethereum has hit over $4,500 per coin, and Polkadot has hit over $51 per coin. Now, if you don't know, Marathon is a cryptocurrency miner. They physically mine and store cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, and a lot more. Now, this is a new frontier, a new type of business model, and investors are bullish on the name in hopes that the cryptocurrency they are holding will appreciate in value over time, making this a highly profitable company. So today I wanted to look at some headlines, do some technical analysis, and make a buy recommendation for Marathon Holdings. So let's dive in. So if we jump over to FinViz, we do see a couple of headlines. Here's why momentum in Marathon Digital Holdings should keep going. Hedge funds have never been this bullish on Marathon Patent Group. Is Marathon Patent Group a first-rate investment now? Prominent investors were getting more optimistic. The number of bullish hedge fund bets moved up by 9 in recent months. Marathon Patent Group was in 19 hedge fund portfolios at the end of June. The all-time high for this statistic was previously 10. This means the bullish number of hedge fund positions in this stock currently sits at its all-time high. So now if we jump back into FinViz, we do see on October 15, analyst D.A. Davidson gave it a buy rating and a price target of $65. Now, looking at the weekly chart, we do see that Marathon Holdings has been on an upward trend. It has been trending upward since this dip back in May, and it has been gaining momentum. So this blue line down here could be seen as your support line. This line above, this pink line, could be seen as resistance. I do see that a descending wedge pattern was being formed, and the squeeze was getting tighter, and finally in October we did have a breakout to the upside, and today we did post all-time highs of 63.34 cents at the closing bell. So now we can look at it the same way within TradingView. Here's your daily chart. You can grab your trendline tool here and draw your support down here and resistance above here, and we do see that Marathon finally broke out of this descending wedge. Squeeze was getting tighter, and it finally broke the resistance here and pushed higher. And we do see also back in October, it did break above its 8-day moving average, illustrated by this blue line. This is your 8-day moving average, and it broke out and it has been trading above the 8-day for over a month now. So now, in order to get a better macro view of where the stock could be headed next, we can draw some Fibonacci retracement zones in order to predict where the stock could be headed next. So what you want to do is grab your Fib retracement tool. Here, your first anchor would be dropped at the lowest point of the stock, and you want to stretch this out and drop it at your highest point of the stock, which was posted today here. So now this dashed line can be seen as long-term support. You can view this as monthly support. So we do see previously that Marathon was trading in this zone here, and that's between the 50% retracement zone and the 61% retracement zone. It did gap up above that and push into the next zone, which is the 78% retracement zone. And finally, after some consolidation here, we have gapped up even more into our current price level, which is the 100% retracement zone, and that's the $63 mark. So now if we maintain this momentum, we can push through this $63 resistance zones, and we can begin to ascend into the next Fibonacci retracement extension levels. That's illustrated here. If we scroll up, we can collapse this chart just a bit. And so these extension zones do depict the next probable price levels the stock could reach. So if we break through the current level of $63, our next level of resistance would be the 127% retracement zone, and that's a price target of $80.14. And if we're able to break through that, our next level of resistance would be the 161% retracement zone, and that's a price target of $100.96. So I am bullish on this stock. They have strong fundamentals and are are accumulating thousands of Bitcoins, which is projected to continue appreciating in value over the coming months. So I do think this rally is just getting started for Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with other cryptocurrencies, and along with it, it will escalate all the crypto company stock that mine them, including Marathon Holdings. I am super bullish on the stock. I do think it's a great buy, and I do recommend this name to any long-term investors. And looking at the RSI, we are a bit overbought, but if your horizon is a multi-month horizon, then I do think you can still get into this name today because we are early in this bull run. So I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.